Welcome to Cooking with Dash, and today we're making Hungarian layered potatoes. Okay, we got an onion, we got Cabana, we got eggs from Margil's, we got sour cream, we got black pepper, we got salt, we got cheese, a block of cheese, and some potatoes. For step number 1, we're going to have to put the eggies on, put it onto high. Step number 2, peel the potatoes. Next step is to cut the potatoes. We're adding the sliced up potato in salty water and then boiling it. Now we're boiling the potatoes on the hot stove. Now we're peeling the onion. Now we slice up the onion. Now put the onions in the frying pan. Make sure to blink when you're cutting up the onion. Now chop the cabana into pieces. And do it diagonally so you get more cabana. Now we put the cabana in the frying pan. Now we put the onion and cabana in it and just put a little bit of oil into the pan. And now we're going to cook it until it goes brown. Now that the onion is starting to go see-through, that's when you know it's starting to be ready. And also the cabana is going brown, so that's when you know it's time getting ready as well. I wish you guys can smell this, but the cabana and egg and the potato, it just smells so good. Just added the sour cream. Now we're going to mix it until all this divides. Now you get the pepper and gently sprinkle it. Now do the same thing with the salt. Now that this is ready, it's cooked, now we're going to have to peel the eggs. Now we preheat the oven to 200. The potatoes have boiled. They should look like that. I'm going to let them cool down. Now we're going to peel the eggs. Now we have to cut up the eggs.
Slice them.
Now we spray it so it don't stick. Now everything is ready to get layered, and then it's going in the oven. Now we start layering the potato in the pan.
The baking dish.
Oh, the baking dish. Now we have to layer the egg. Sorry about that. Now we put half the mixture on the first layer. Now we're going to have to do the same layers, and it looks like that. Put it the potato. Now we put the egg back on. I put the mixture back on. No. Now we put the leftover potato on top. Cut a chunk out of the cheese, now we grate it. Now we put the cheese on the layered potatoes. We put the dish in. Now the timer is how long we want to put it in is when the cheese goes brown. This is what it would look like, and don't touch it, but I just burned myself.